Hi everybody, this is Connie from the Danville Public Library and welcome to our craft session. This week it's all about the Chinese New Year, and when you pick up your little packet you're going to have some papers in there, and when you unfold them you're going to see this sheet and it says handle, horns, eyes, nose, and that's going to turn into something really fun. The other thing that you'll have in there is a sheet that looks like this. And this is the one I want to talk to you about because this is the challenge right here. You'll have some coloring sheets. You'll have a history sheet about the Chinese New Year. You'll have a dot to dot. And this is the year of the ox. And here's your coloring page. But this is the one that I want to help you with today. The first thing you need to do is, and I've already done it, you need to cut off all of the white on all four sides. Snip it off so that it looks like this. Fold it in half. Okay, and it looks like that. Then on each one of these lines that you see here, you're going to cut just to the end of it. So take your scissors and right on the line, be very careful. Snip to the end, and the next one snip right to the end, and the very last one snip it to the end of the line, and then you have something that looks like this. You're like, well, what am I going to do with that? Well, guess what? If you take it and make a circle out of it like that, I'm going to take a little bit of tape. I'm taping mine because, well, it's just easier. Oh, what does that look like? It looks like a Chinese lantern. I'm going to take the other end. I'm going to put it together. I'm just going to get a little bit of tape. And this works better with tape than glue. And now I have this. Well, it's the beginning of your ox for the Chinese New Year. The next thing you need to do is, and I have it, is cut out a handle. And you need to put your handle on the inside and put a little bit of tape on it, like this. Okay, and a little bit of tape on the wrong side. Put it on this side, and when you put it in the lantern, it will stick. Now there's your lantern. Now, then you have to cut out 2 eyes, 2 ears, a big nose, 2 horns. And then you put them on your lantern with glue like this. And this is your finished product. And you have a cool ox for the Chinese New Year. And this is the year of the ox. So have fun making your craft. Have fun with your ox. Give it a name. And enjoy. Thanks, everybody. Miss ya.